Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reframe a horizontal video like this into a vertical one with the newest feature on CapCut. So just import your clips, your horizontal clip, and then after that click on a clip and swipe through the menu at the bottom until you find auto reframe. So click on that, and then here you can choose the size or the frame that you want. So for example, I'm going to just use the TikTok format to make it horizontal, and CapCut will automatically reframe by detecting the object on the video. And after that you can just click on a check icon, and next what you need to do is change the ratio. Click on the ratio and choose the format, the same format that you select on the auto reframe, and that's it. This will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.